Hello everyone, this is Real Flight Simulator. This is your boy Ali. This is the Airbus A320. We're flying today. We're going to take off from Jeddah to Dubai International. We have a gate takeoff, which means we'll be operating from the gate. Calibration. Okay, we're going to listen to the ATIS at first. Automatic terminal information system.
Information Oscar at 0700 Zulu. Departure runway 34 left. Transition level 140. Wind 227 degrees 0.
Okay, I got it. So contacting ground. Clearance.
Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
This is my plane for today.
Parking. Information. Oscar. Read to copy.
Read to copy. Okay. I'm gonna go
You are
ahead.
cleared to Oscar, Mike, Delta, Bravo, Via, Echo, Golf, Romeo, Echo, 1, Mike, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Okay. I'm gonna contact when ready to start. Lots of buttons over here. Lots of systems we have to operate. But luckily, I have very much minimum buttons over here in the screen, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the ground power unit. So now all the systems are online. I am connected with the ground services and the tower services. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up the aircraft. Full passengers. This is a full flight. I'm gonna turn it down a notch from the maximum takeoff weight, which is 73500. Yeah, that is good. 73472. Fuel is good. Fuel burn is 2530 kilograms per hour. So good. I'm gonna go ahead and fire the ABU. I'm gonna turn off the ground power unit. After that, I'm gonna clear myself of the passenger boarding bridge. The ABU is fired up. All the systems are online, as you can see. And now I'm gonna operate the lights, nav lights, beacon lights, landing lights, and strobe lights. Seat belts, no smoking. Okay, I'm gonna request pushback from the ground services. Pushback.
Ground. Request pushback. Pushback approved at own discretion.
Okay. So I'm gonna push back and get my clearance for startup. So I'm gonna do it at the same time. When I start up the airplane, probably you won't hear my voice. So I have a shitty voice over here, voice recorder, whatever. So going ahead and requesting pushback. Approved. So engaging pushback. I'm gonna request startup.
Ground. Request startup.
I got traffic behind me.
Startup approved.
And I'm
Report when ready to taxi.
absolutely blinding the guy driving.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
He's blinded by the landing light, so I'm gonna turn it off. So startup approved. I'm gonna start up the engines one by one. Again, you probably will not hear my voice, so. I'm gonna adjust with the rudder to go on be aligned on the taxiway, which is the yellow line over here. I've deviated very much, so it shouldn't be a problem. No problem. So yeah, to the guy in the pushback truck. Thank you very much. I'm gonna take over here. Engines are good. The heat of the engines are good. Oil PSI is at 16. Optimal. Landing lights and requesting taxi.
Ground. Request taxi. Taxi to holding point runway. 34 left.
So okay, taxiing.
Roger.
Taxiing.
Taxi to holding point runway. 34 left.
Of course, you can apply full throttle on taxi right away. Yeah, that is good. So that's it for the startup and the taxi and all the permissions you have to take. And the ABU stays on while taxi. I'll spare you the time for taxi and I'll just take you to the runway takeoff. So runway takeoff. Calibrating over here. So applying the brake, nav lights, beacon lights, landing lights, strobe lights, seat belts, no smoking. The ABU is down.
Full established runway.
No seat belts. That's better. I'm gonna go to holding point.
Ground. Holding point runway. 34 left.
Contact.
Tower. I know.
Tower.
Departure.
Good day. Holding point runway. 34 left. Ready for departure. Wind 232 degrees 0 knots. Clear for takeoff runway. 34 left. Report leaving 3,000 feet. Clear for takeoff runway. 34 left. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Okay, so flaps 1 plus F. I don't know what that means. No seatbelts for this takeoff. No seatbelts. Okay, our waypoint is Echo Golf Romeo Echo Papa, which is at 3,000 feet. True airspeed is 213. So I think we're ready. Spoiler 0. Flaps are good. Brake is good. So here we go. Here we go. Stay on the center line. Stay on the center line. Stay on the center line. That is good. Staying on the center line. 140, 164, and 164. Lift off. 300 feet. I gotta retract the landing gear so it doesn't cause any drag. I'm gonna turn to my waypoint, which is Echo Golf Romeo Echo Papa. Very, very terrible procedure, for me at least. I shouldn't retract the flaps right now. I'm still at 166. True airspeed is 180. Leaving 3,000 feet.
Tower, leaving 3,000 feet.
Okay, I'm almost
Airborne
aligned.
08. Contact, radar, on 123.800.
So I'm gonna
Contact,
go here and
radar, on
lock my
123.800.
and my altitude,
Full established runway. 34 right.
and retract the flaps one by one.
Sierra
Stage
Victor
by
3801.
stage.
Wind
Okay.
231 degrees 1 knots.
It's
Clear
gonna
to
go
land
down a
runway.
notch
34 right.
while I retract with the flaps.
Clear to land
But it
runway.
will go up
34
to that.
right.
The altitude here is 3936. Okay, speed limits. We're over speed limits. I should minimize the speed to 248. Maybe now you need your seat belts. Landing lights are off. Okay. So that's pretty much it. I can set it to nav basically the airplane now will fly itself to various waypoints. It's going to go to flight level 360, which is 36,000 feet. Now we are doing 0.37 Mach speed. I'm gonna go and go straight to landing. Yeah, landing. Okay. Landing, nav. Okay. All the lights are on. You don't need to smoke while landing. You don't.
Full established runway.
So okay,
30 left.
I'm also
Tower,
on full
good day.
established.
Full established runway. 30 left.
Good day. Wind 121 degrees, 5 knots. Clear to land runway 30 left.
Clear to land runway. 30 left.
My VREF is 146. I'm gonna set the autopilot to 147. 147. Okay. My heading is good. I have to align with the ILS. Okay, flaps on 2. Put it on full. I don't know at which stage you should put the flaps on full, but no problem. I'm gonna extend the landing gear. My BFD shows that I'm aligned with the ILS. My approach is good. We are aligned with the glide slope, I think, or slide globe, whatever.
2,500.
2,500. So, as I'm descending now, my speed keeps going up. I can apply some spoiler here, but I don't need it. I'm gonna set it to arm, so when I touch down, it's armed, so it will be applied when I touch down. And just for the record, my voice is terrible, you know. This is my first video. I don't know if I'm intending to post another video, I don't know, but this is just for fun. So now we're landing, seatbelts are off. You absolutely don't need seatbelts for landing. Okay. That's a terrible descent rate. I can see the runway on the radar, but it's quite foggy, so I will not be able to see it clearly.
Full established runway.
I have to do an ILS approach rather than a visual approach. So.
Foxtrot Zulu 866 wind.
Can you shut up?
7 degrees. Tower, good day. Full established runway.
Again,
30
I'm full established
left.
on the runway. God damn it.
Good day. Wind 122 degrees, 5 knots. Clear to land runway 30 left.
Clear.
Clear to land runway 30 left.
Here's the runway. Here's the runway.
500.
Here's the runway. So adjusting over here.
400.
By far the best pilot over
300.
here. By far.
Minimum
I know.
200.
Okay.
100 above.
Tell me this is
100.
This isn't the best landing
70,
you've ever had in
50,
your life.
40, 30,
Okay.
20. Retard.
Retarding. Okay, bring the nose down. Bring the nose down. Brake. Spoiler is enough. So, runway vacated. When? Oh God. There's a break. There's a long way for taxi. Bear with me here. Bear with the best pilot of the skies over here. I have to report runway vacated, so just gonna have to wait. This is my airplane, SAUDIA. Traveling at the speed of light. So here's our turn. 55 knots. You absolutely cannot turn at 55 knots. So okay, so 46 is good. Oh, runway vacated.
Tower, runway vacated.
Contact ground on 118.350.
Roger. Ground
Okay, I'm deviating now.
118.350.
Deviating a lot from my taxiway. I'm gonna go back to my taxiway. Okay. Yeah, right. Whatever. Taxi speed limit. No problem whatsoever. You can already see the airplane wobbling because I am doing 65 knots. 68 on the
Tower,
true
Whiskey
airspeed.
Yankee 604. Ready for departure runway 30 right.
Brake.
Whiskey Yankee 604. Tower, clear for takeoff runway 30 right. Clear for takeoff runway 30 right.
Left wing.
Tower, 6 Echo 96. Ready for
I
departure
got a
runway
pretty
30
good
right.
selection of views over
6 Echo 96. Tower, clear for takeoff runway 30 right.
It's been about 20
Clear for
minutes.
takeoff runway 30
think.
right.
Tower, Whiskey Yankee 604.
So braking
leaving
here.
3,000 feet.
Where's our gate?
Whiskey
I think
Yankee
it should be no.
604. Airborne at 17.
I don't know which gate
Contact
to go to.
radar. Roger.
Oh, maybe that one. Okay.
Contact radar.
So I'm gonna turn
Tower,
over here.
Whiskey Yankee 604.
To this.
Leaving 3,000 feet.
Taxiway. Oh, slow down.
Whiskey Yankee 604.
Okay, I'm gonna
Airborne
slow
at
down.
17. Contact radar. Roger. Contact
Slow.
radar.
Okay.
Tower, Foxtrot, Zulu 711. Ready for departure runway 30 right.
Stop.
Foxtrot, Zulu 7.
Ground. Switch off.
Ground, approaching gate, switching off. Roger. Close it. 18. Have a nice
So,
day.
Have a nice day, as he said, as Robot said over here. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for pairing up with me. This is my flight. All well and good. Thank you.